Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about Scalper Mode on Groww. Scalping is a trading style focused on making multiple short-term trades to profit from small price movements. It's a style that requires speed, accuracy and constant focus, which is exactly what Groww's Scalper Mode is built for. To access it, go to the Explore section on your Groww app and tap on Scalper Mode and you're instantly in, right at the heart of the market, ready to trade. The most traded instrument automatically opens, which is currently Sensex. Want to change the instrument? Tap on the drop down at the top left to switch. By default, the underlying chart opens on your screen and the order card for the at the money call is displayed below the chart. You can switch to the put option with a single tap or choose a different strike using the drop down. Easily adjust the quantity you want to trade. The required margin appears below this tab. Everything is designed to be quick and intuitive, just one tap away. Once you enter a trade, your P&L updates live on the chart. You can set stop loss or target orders right on the chart itself. Just tap on the position line and you will find the pop-up SLTGT. Drag upwards to set your target level. Drag below to your desired stop loss level. Want to modify it? Drag again, tap the tick and it's done instantly. Same applies for stop loss. You can also track your position on the underlying chart itself. Just switch over to the index or the stock chart and you will see the strike price you have placed the order on appear as the position line. Your P&L will be reflected here too. You can exit directly from the chart as well. One tap on the position line and you'll find a lightning icon pop up. Tap it and you are immediately out of the trade. Alternatively, you can also exit by tapping the exit button. And there you have it. Scalper Mode on Groww, designed for precision, speed and ease. One tap, fast execution and everything you need on a single screen.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.